number 10, Eros. I'm sorry. I should have called Eros candidate number 12. I'm sure you're going to play someday, alright? But for this time, the winner is Eros, and that's candidate number 12. Alright, Eros. Alright, is that ready? Yeah. For the female category, for the best in creative wear, we have Sino?
Ivory.
Number